how to fix Telegram login problem. In today's short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram login problem easily and fast. So first thing you want to do is actually so easy. Just go into the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you're gonna find all the apps that you have. So all what you want to do is just wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Telegram and click on it. When you click on Telegram, now all what you want to do is force stop the app and then go to permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back, click on data usage, make sure that everything is enabled as right here. Go back, click on storage, click on clear cache, and then go back to the settings on your phone. Go to the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode for 3 seconds, and after that disable it and restart your phone, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.